Honorable members, I suspend the House and can the Business Committee meeting meet now, please?
Is changing. He's wearing a wonderful face. And my constituency is peri-urban. It covers part of the city from the eastern part to the southern part. It's a stretch. And the city is extending to this wonderful constituency. Looking at how infrastructure is carried out in the city, I would like to find out the policy of the ministry. Because as a peri-urban, we are supposed to benefit bitumen standard roads, but we don't have. That's why I'm here to find out the policy. I've been asking about roads like Chiuzira to Mbununu via Kangoma, Gorogota to Chiuzira via Chimpeni, Chiuzira to Nanjiri Trading Center via Mchiranjiru, Tambalale to Kangoma, Kapiri to Zamkutu joining the bypass road, Choyo to Zamkutu also joining the bypass road, Zamkutu to Pondamari. This is where the city is extending, and we are supposed to have good roads. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Very much, Lilongwe Central. Honorable Deputy Minister of Transport.
Thank you so much, Madam Speaker. And through you, allow me to thank the Honorable Member, our elder from Lilongwe Central, the name of Senior Chief Kalumba and the Senior Chief Tabango. In his supplementary question, he did mention about how beautiful our city now is. We want to thank him for acknowledging that, because it's important that when the president is doing what he's doing, and here in the city of Lilongwe, we must give credit where it's due. So obviously, as the president is developing this city to this level where we now are, the development that you see in the city will definitely have to overflow to the peri-urban areas around the city, and that includes the constituency that he represents. And so I want to assure the Honorable Member for Lilongwe Central constituency that what he sees in the city will definitely soon overflow to not only his constituency, but even other peri-urban constituencies around the city. Thank you so much, Madam Speaker.
Very much. We now go to question number 19, Rumpi Central. Yeah, but it's 29, it's not half past. Okay, I always use the front one. Yes, you're rising, Honorable Leader.
I was rising to provide further guidance after, I think, because we face here.
Yes, they need to adjust the times. Yeah, I use the one in front and you're using this one, they're different.
But before I give
clicks,
my
please
give my guidance, may I join